Hi guys, welcome back. So today I was thinking to myself, should I not give out these secrets? I've been pondering with myself for a while, but then I was like, let's just do the video. And here we go. So, the secrets of Psytrance production is just hard work. Put in the work, put in the time. Don't block your creativity with unnecessary info. Just sit down, make music, watch YouTube videos, learn as much as you can, buy great masterclasses. You will catch some magic in each masterclass. You'll catch magic in everything that you're actually watching. Sit down, put in the hours. The more you learn, your actual door helps quite a lot because once you know what you're doing in your door, you can manipulate the sounds and audio with the functions they are. Because the functions and the editing and using your VSTs, that's actually where the magic lies and all the secret weapons are, is knowing your tools. It's not just about making the greatest lead and yeah, like the sound design and all of those things, it's cool and stuff, but it's knowing your tools and just putting in the hours and knowing what you're doing. It really pays off quite a lot. And then just get used to listening. Listening helps a lot. Like when you're listening to your music in general, listen with intention. So when you're hearing a song, break it down. Listen to the kick and bass. Listen to the sub frequencies of the kick and listen to the highs of the kick. Listen to the bass line. Try and separate it. Listen to the bass, the sub part, the mids, the highs. Listen to the percussion, how much highs is kicking out. Listen to a lead. Listen, how much are they cutting out of it? It's more listening for reference. So when you sit down, you kind of already know what you want to do. It's like listening to reference music before you start working, getting your ears into a good space. Don't the YouTube videos are cool. They help quite a lot. Like you learn quite a lot of catching all the magic and stuff. But the more hours you put in is actually where the most comes out of it. Consistency is always the best, as they say. What is it? The hard work over talent. Same story. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this.